We're really proud to be able to host Cyrus in Mayfair today. Cyrus are really synonym of mechanical innovation. So the timepieces that will be presented tonight here in Mayfair are absolutely outstanding. Also meeting Jean-Francois Mojon and discuss watchmaking with him is going to be a real treat for the collectors that will join us tonight.
Hi guys, this is Mickey from the limited edition. I'm based in Neuchâtel, Switzerland. Today I'm very excited to be here in London for a special event with Cyrus. I'm very excited to see the beautiful mechanical timepiece that will be present tonight.
Hi, I'm Jean-Francois Mojon from Cyrus Watches. I'm very excited to be here in London for the limited edition event and presenting the novelties of Cyrus.
很高兴受邀参加这个活动。
谢谢 The Limited Edition。
It was so good to see all these timepieces from Cyrus in the flesh. In particular, I thought the orbital tourbillon was absolutely amazing, as good as I expected it to be.
Yeah, it has been a beautiful event with such an incredible watchmaker interacting with collectors. It was very interesting.
Thank you. I really enjoyed the evening. Also discussing, sharing with the collectors. It was unique for me, and thank you for the organization.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Jean-Francois.
Thank you.
See you soon.
You.